To get started, grab the following supplies. Start by pouring the soap into the bucket. Next, fill the bucket with water using your garden hose. Rinse the vehicle off before starting to remove any loose dirt or debris. Wash the vehicle with your mitt in soapy water. Clean the wheels last to avoid scratches. Rinse the soapy water off the car. Repeat the previous step if necessary. Using a squeegee will speed up the drying process after washing the vehicle. Finish drying off the vehicle with a microfiber cloth. The vehicle must be completely dry before applying the wax. Squeeze some wax compound onto the applicator pad. Apply the wax to the vehicle in a circular motion. Polish the wax off the vehicle using a clean microfiber cloth.